Hello and welcome. You are halfway through the vocabulary as of today. Once you finish today's review and assessment, you're halfway through. So congratulations, you've completed half of your vocabulary for the year. And today we will go over the review and make sure you're ready for this assessment. The review is a game on your online school called the Writers Through the Ages. What you need to do, you'll of course be defining and using words with the Greek and Latin roots to earn points. And this will give you your review that you'll need for that final semester assessment. The questions that you're going to see are a little bit easier near the top of the page. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to hold up my laptop here. Let me hit start. So this is what it will look like. It says Writers Through the Ages, and then I'm going to click on start the game. And as you can see, it brings up some different points, and you can see 100 points near the top, 500 near the bottom. So the points near the top are easier questions, and in fact, the points near the top are true and false. And then they are also multiple choice. And then once you get near the bottom, they turn into fill in the blank. So let's go ahead and do one together. So I'm going to click on the first one right here at the top. It's under Had Enough, and it's worth 100 points. So I'm going to show you that real quick. Had Enough, 100 points. We'll click on that and see what it says. Okay. It's a true and false. Microbes are minuscule. Microbes are minuscule. You can hear that cool music going. Okay, well, I know that minuscule means small, and I know that microbes are extremely small, so I'm going to click on true. And there's also a timer down near the bottom. So I didn't put in my true in time, so I ran out of time. So it's not even going to give me the points. So look at that. I just lost 100 points even though I knew the answer because I was trying to share with you. So I should have hurried and clicked true. I'm going to show you that there is, whoops, there's a little timer down here near the bottom. And if you, that's, you're probably not going to have time to look it up in your book, because when the timer goes off, you lose the points. So instead of earning 100 points like I should have, I just lost 100 points. Oh, well. Okay, so that's how the game goes. And then you go through and you can click on another question. And then it asks you to go to round 2. And so there's a round 2. And you'll play that game. It's similar. Once you have finished round 1 and round 2 of this game, you will go in and start the assessment on the online. And the assessment has 7 essay type questions. So when you first get in there, there are going to be 7 essay questions. It will have you can print out the page. Your learning coach can ask you the questions, or you can write down your answers, whichever you'd like to do. Then at the very end of your online assessment, your learning coach has to go back in and put in whether or not you answered those first 7 essay questions, if you answered them correctly. So on your online school, the assessment part has 25 multiple choice, and then it's followed by some fill in the blank. And then the very last part, of course, are those 7 essay questions where your learning coach says, yeah, they answered that correct. They understood it. So that's what you've got going today. A game, first of all, Writers Through the Ages that you'll do on your online school. You'll do that game to review, and then you'll be ready to complete your assessment. And then that's it, halfway through. Just a reminder, once you have finished your assessment, please K-mail either Mrs. Harden or myself your score, and you can also share what Mr. Potato Head has on, which I don't have Mr. Potato Head. I have to grab him real quick. So that means that we're going to have to just have Mr. Potato Head have whatever he has on here. Whoop, I keep dropping things, so. Okay. Here's Mr. Potato Head, and that's now you know where he hides. So here's Mr. Potato Head for today, trying to keep his glasses on. You can say that Mr. Potato Head had on yellow glasses. He's got orange eyes. He's got a red baseball cap and a big smile for today's assessment, okay? So there he is, and good luck with your assessment. Good luck with your review. And like I said, this is the last chance that you'll have to put in for that drawing that we're going to have. And congratulations. We'll see you later.